Today, we'll be showing you how to install the 32125 drawer stop. You'll need a small number 1 screwdriver, a tape measure, a sharp tool like a scratch awl, and a pencil. Before starting, take a look at the drawer and make a plan. The 32125 is best installed on the underside of the top horizontal support. Remove the drawer and using a tape measure, find a central spot where the 32125 can be mounted. Then mark the spot with your pencil. Then line the 32125 with your pencil marking, and with the help of your awl, make a hole in the wood where the drawer stop will be fastened. Due to the tight clearance between the top of the drawer and the top of the cabinet, we'll need to use a smaller screw, like the 33084, so as not to interfere with the operation of the drawer. Now, you're ready to fasten the 32125 with the screw. It helps to use a short screwdriver due to the low clearance. Finally, place the drawer back into the cabinet, and if it's installed correctly, the 32125 should prevent the drawer from falling out. One final note, to remove the drawer, you'll need to push the leg of the 32125 up so that it clears the back of the drawer.